It's okay not to be okay, but is our mental health really okay? Mental health matters, but does it really matter in our country? It's true. The Philippines can sometimes feel like a place where judgment is quick to surface. Because of this, many Filipinos opt for silence as a way to avoid being judged by others. Even when our inner world feels heavy, there's often a tendency to simply endure it. On the other hand, our nation is also known for its vibrant joy and humor. This often leads to the assumption that Filipinos can handle anything. But what happens when our mental well-being is suffering? Should we continue to just silently bear the weight? Alfredo Lagmay and his research on behavior modification and mental illness treatment was groundbreaking, particularly during a time when mental health was not favorable in our country. The Philippines has seen a significant evolution in its approach to mental health, moving from primarily institutional care to a more comprehensive system that includes community-based services and legal frameworks. This evolution is marked by the establishment of key institutions, increased awareness, and the enactment of national mental health law.
In 1782, Hospicio de San Jose, a religious order, established this institution in Manila, providing the first system of institutional care for mental illness and disability.
Mental health awareness efforts in the Philippines can be traced back to late 1940s and early 1950s with the establishment of Philippine Mental Health Association and promotion of the first National Mental Health Week in 1951. The PMHA, founded in 1949, play a crucial role in promoting clinical services and public education related to mental health.
Mental health challenges are significant in the Philippines, with a high prevalence of mental disorders, particularly depression and anxiety. The country faces a shortage of mental health professionals and limited access to services, exacerbated by stigma and lack of resources. While the Philippine Mental Health Act, Republic Act 11036, seeks to improve mental health services and protect rights, implementation and funding remain challenges.
In the Philippines, the prevalence of mental disorders range between 11.3% and 11.6%, with an average advanced risk of 2.0, increasing from 7.0 to 12.5 million Filipinos diagnosed with a mental disorder between 1990 and 2010. Anxiety and depression are the prevailing conditions.
On the critical issue of mental health within the Philippines, emphasizing the significant number of Filipinos grappling with mental and neurological disorders, it underscores the prevalence of mental health challenges in the country, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of the specific problems and the cultural context surrounding them. By highlighting the sheer scale of the issue, there is an urgency and importance of addressing mental health in the Philippines.
The identification of common mental health problems and disorders prevalent in the Philippines. This detailed overview includes conditions such as depression, anxiety, and other mental health challenges that affect a substantial portion of the population. By naming these specific disorders, we aim to educate viewers about the diverse range of mental health issues that Filipinos face, promoting awareness and understanding. This information is crucial for breaking down misconceptions and fostering informed discussions about mental health.
There are significant barriers of stigma associated with mental health within Filipino culture. This stigma often prevents individuals from seeking help or openly discussing their struggles. leading to isolation and delayed treatment. By addressing this crucial challenge head-on, we encourage a shift towards greater acceptance and support for those with mental health conditions. Overcoming this stigma is essential for creating a more compassionate and inclusive society where individuals feel safe to seek help without fear of judgment.
The power of listening and providing support to individuals struggling with mental health issues. It highlights the importance of empathy and understanding in creating a supportive environment where people feel heard and validated. By promoting active listening and compassionate responses, we can empower viewers to become allies in the mental health movement, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility. This message is particularly crucial in culture where seeking help may be stigmatized.
Beyond individual support, there are systemic challenges within the Philippines, specifically the lack of resources and fundings for mental health care needs. This scarcity of resources limits access to treatment and support services, hindering the ability to address the widespread needs. We stress out the importance of community involvement in creating a supportive environment for mental health. By advocating for increased investment and community-based initiatives, we call for a collective effort to improve the mental health care and create a more equitable and accessible system for all Filipinos.